In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make your logo bigger on Shopify. This is a great way to make your brand more prominent on your online store, ensuring that customers easily recognize your business as soon as they land on your page. Let's dive right in and get started. First things first, we'll need to navigate to your Shopify admin. Begin by logging into your Shopify account and heading over to the admin dashboard. This is where you manage everything related to your online store, from products to themes and settings. Once logged in, look over the options on the left-hand side and click on Online Store. This section allows you to manage the appearance and layout of your website. It's especially useful for making sure your brand identity is front and center, so click there to proceed to the next step. Now that you've landed in the online store area, you'll see an option labeled Customize. This is where the magic happens. Go ahead and click on Customize to open the theme editor. Here, you'll have a live preview of your homepage and access to various design settings. Once inside the theme customizer, you'll notice several icons and options on the screen. Look closely for a gear icon. Clicking on this gear will open additional settings for your theme, providing you with further customization options that revolve around your store's layout and design features. With the gear icon selected, it's time to zoom in on your logo settings. Click on the Logo section to adjust how your logo displays. This option allows you to change your logo size, making sure it grabs the attention it deserves. After clicking on Logo, direct your attention to the settings that appear. You'll see an option to highlight your logo. By selecting this highlight, you have the opportunity to emphasize and enlarge your logo, increasing its presence on the homepage. This feature is particularly helpful because it automatically scales the logo without distorting its quality, which is crucial for maintaining a professional appearance. Lastly, with your highlight settings in place, take a moment to preview the changes. If everything looks the way you envisioned, remember to save your adjustments. This step confirms that the customization is applied to your live site, ensuring that all visitors see the updated, larger logo. And there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you've successfully enlarged your logo on your Shopify store. Not only does this enhance brand visibility, but it also creates a visually cohesive appearance that can positively impact your customers' shopping experience. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this guide helps you solidify your store's brand image.